waiting for my same vein gang man to get in this motherfucking freestyle session. I'm not gonna play a beat. I don't want to freestyle without my nigga. So I'm gonna wait for his technical difficulties to not be difficult technically until he gets in this thing. What we're gonna talk about is why Black History Month is an abomination to this community, man. Look, let me tell you, I'm gonna lace you like a new pair of Timbs, baby. Relax, listen. So look, what it is black people built this motherfucking country. I don't give a fuck what you think. You can Google it, bitch. Okay? Black people built this country. And the fact of the matter is, there's no White History Month for a reason, my nigga. Why is there no White History Month, Aaron Moses? Bitch ass nigga, because everything is White History Month. When really, everything is Black History Month. Like, how insulting is it for you to think that Black history should be compressed and acknowledged only in a fucking month? Not only a fucking month, the shortest fucking month. Fuck ass nigga. If you're gonna give us a month, at least make that motherfucker 30 days. You couldn't even give us 30 days. You wanna give us 28 days? What the fuck, nigga? And y'all niggas voted for these niggas and agreed to this shit? That's some weak ass, pie ass, dumb ass, weak ass, dick sucking ass, cum guzzling ass shit. And that's a shit on my people, on my ancestors, on your people. So stop playing with yourselves, bro. Oh, it's Black History Month. It's Black History Month. And the white kids, if they don't want to learn it, then shut the fuck up. It's not okay, bro. It's not fucking okay, bitch. It's not okay. It's not okay. Black History Month, whatever. Latino History Month, what the fuck? Latinos and the Spanish-speaking community has done way more than a lot of... I'm not even going to go there. But you know what I was going to say. But in a month, you want to acknowledge my people for the month? You mean the people who invented life? The people who invented freezers, the people who invented apparently soap, because we didn't kill millions of indigenous white people. I mean, indigenous Americans when we came over here with our diseases and our maintenance or lack of it. We didn't do that. We invented all kind of stuff. We contributed enough to the point where Black history should not be a choice to elect to not invest in knowledge-wise. The stoplight, peanut butter, heck of shit. The fact of the matter is, we invented America. America is the blackest country in the world. Second to Brazil. America is the best country in the world because of who? Because of you, if you're black and you're watching this. And they want to compress our shit into a motherfucking goofy... February is an amazing month. February is one of my favorite months. It has amazing energy. It has a lot of contributions to my life personally. My grandfather was born in February. My wife was born in February. I have Saturn in Aquarius on my first house. My beautiful ass sisters were born in February. One of my favorite cousins was born in February. February has done a lot for me, February-wise. But it's only 28 days, G. Why would you put... And why would you even think to make a month? It's like some... Black History Month is the biggest sneak disser known to man. I don't want a month. I want a lifetime, nigga. Give me your life. Give me your children's fucking brains. Make them niggas. Make them white people. Make them Mexicans. Make them Puerto Ricans. Make them Irish people. Make those Asians. Make the Indians. Make the Pakistanis. Make the Middle Easterns. Make the Canadians. Make them niggas learn about black history. But not for a fucking month. Bitch ass nigga. A month. A month? A month? And you niggas cut my great grandfather's dick off and made him receive anal penetration from a white man in front of his fucking kids, nigga, and then sold him. And you want to put my history in a month? What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? And you want to give us a fucking month? A month? A month? And you want to teach my children that Christopher Columbus is the nigga who's never been to America, but named America after his fucking gay lover? And a shout out to gay people. I love gay people. If it wasn't for gay people, I wouldn't be alive. My dad's gay as hell. Ask me. Ask him. He'll tell you. Google it. He got married to a nigga for 7 years and all that. I don't have a problem with gay people. But you want to put Christopher nut drinking Columbus over my ancestors? Over one of my ancestors? I don't give a fuck if this is the laziest slave in the world. One of my ancestors? Over Christopher fucking Columbus. You motherfucker. Y'all niggas, it's an attack. Black History Month is the biggest spit in the fucking face in black history. Facts, nigga. Facts. Woosah. Namyo Renge-kyo, Namyo Renge-kyo, Namyo Renge-kyo, Namyo Renge-kyo. Center yourself. Grounding is easy. We are one with the earth. I gotta go. I love you guys. I want you to take into account everything I said. And I want you to love yourselves. A lot. Because I really love a lot. That's my hobby. Peace.